So good afternoon, you lovely people. Welcome to Biker Diet Life. And today I'm at Radisson Blue Karjat, and we are here for the 2021 launch of the new Jeep Compass. And we would be going ahead with a small trail with the new Jeep Compass.
To check out a new Jeep Compass. So you have already seen the vehicle online, but this is a time when you are going to see it actually the car. There are a bunch of features, bunch of stuff which is loaded in the car. Car is all new. It has taken care utmost priority of our customer. That's why we are showing you, and we have taken all your feedback to improve our product. So let's start with some glimpse. First of all the variants comes with the LED headlamps. That we do have an all new Uconnect system. It's a Uconnect 5, comes with a connectivity, so you can connect your phone in a better way. It's loaded with an Android feature, and Apple CarPlay can be connected wirelessly, so no wire needed.
Okay.
Yeah, we are giving you all connectivity features with the C-type and the USB port connectivity with your phone. So anyway, the car will be coming with your all the connected features of your car. Along with that, the car is come with a 10.1 inch instrument radio and 10.25 inch instrument cluster, all digital. So there is a new generation which is looking for a digitalization and much more good looking stuff. So here you are. Along with that, we do have wireless charger. We do have a 360-degree camera and much more things which you can experience while driving the car. So I am not going to brief everything about the car.
So guys, we are here. We are at the trail site right now, and I'll just show you all the new car.
Moving into the Jeep Compass, the LEDs, those are the brand new LEDs, plus the fantastic new grille, and the Jeep logo is also tanned if you see there. Moving to the sides, those are the brand new alloys. Don't they look lovely, guys? And then moving to the rear, the boot this time is also electronically managed, so that's a great add-on. So let's go inside and have a look how it's from the inside. So that's the brand new 10.1-inch LED display. Doesn't the dash look very nice, guys? Moving to the panoramic sunroof, and this complete dash looks very sleek with the Jeep logo. You all can see there that has also been revamped. So without any ado, let's ride this beast and find out how it performs. See you inside. So these are the new ventilated front seats which we are testing here to keep our behinds cool, and it works like a charm, guys. Seriously.
See, music for you now. Like music?
So we are testing the 9 speaker audio system, and also we need not forget that it has a wireless mobile charging input too. So guys, now we are checking the 360-degree camera that's available in this new Jeep Compass, and it works like a breeze.
So guys, this is the Jeep tent that comes along as an accessory, add-on accessory with the Jeep.
So let me show you guys how it looks from inside. So this is your tent, and that is your bed that is connected to the boot of your Jeep Compass. So isn't that lovely, guys? If you all see it, and that is how it looks from outside. Your boot is open, and then your tent is connected there to your Jeep Compass. So I think this is lovely. This is a lovely add-on and an accessory that you could definitely add to your Jeep Compass.
So guys, we have come on the top, and I just took the Jeep Compass, the new facelifted Jeep Compass, up on a hill, and बढ़िया है. I love the automated
And the tent.
gearbox. Yes.
And the tent
Yes,
now.
and the tent too. So we are moving back to the vehicle and we are going to go down again. So अभी मिलते हैं नीचे.
Few moments later.
So guys, we just came back from our trail and we tested the new Jeep Compass and we loved it. We just love the new Jeep Compass, especially the automatic gearbox. It's a breeze to ride on these hills and on these mountains. So now we would be going for high tea for the event and after that we have a cocktail party. तो मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में. So guys, that's it from my end. That was a small review from my side for a 2021 Jeep Compass. And as a current owner of a Jeep Compass, I feel this one is definitely an upgrade, guys. With the smooth suspension and with the interiors done up, I feel this is really nice. Plus, the company has also taken up issues that were earlier present, like the lights. With the new LED lights in all the variants, I think this one you all shouldn't miss. Plus the 9-speed automatic gearbox that I tested is top notch and I couldn't feel a thing while I went on those rocks and on those mountains. So with the 10.1 display, that is the interiors have also look really nice. The logo on the steering wheel also looks fabulous. So as a current owner, I would definitely want to upgrade to the new 2021 Jeep Compass. The new 2021 Jeep Compass also has two new different colors in green and in blue, which were earlier not there in the Jeep lineup. So that is also an add-on. Well, yes, I definitely feel jealous with the new upgrade coming in, but that's how things are. Every 3 years there's an upgrade and then you feel bad about what you currently have, but that's okay. Well, also I would like to mention the 360-degree camera that is there in the new Jeep Compass. Also adds on for various things when you are actually going off-roading or maybe in the cities in cramped spaces too. That might help you all. So guys, yes, I would definitely recommend the new Jeep Compass, 2021 Jeep Compass. So guys, that's it from my end. This was a small review that I did on the 2021 Jeep Compass, and I would definitely like to thank Jeep India for giving us this opportunity, and also would like to thank Jeep Western Wanderers, without whom this would not be possible. So thank you, members of Jeep Western Wanderers. So I've tried my bit to review the 2021 Jeep Compass. So if you all like my content, do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is BikerDadLife. No space in between. Also do subscribe me on this YouTube channel, and I will try to make such kind of great videos. And hope you all have a great year ahead. See you guys. See you from BikerDadLife. Bye bye.